In this video we're going to be doing a front carbon lip on the BMW 3 Series. So we had the slip on, we did take it off. It has some damage on it, as you can see, lots of scratches. You can see damage here, all around here. You can see pits all over the place. So we're just going to do a cheap repair on it. As you can see up here as well, let's take you there, also damage there, and some around here. So we're just going to do a cheap repair on this. It's starting to rain out there. So what I've done is I've wiped this down with thinners and a cloth, because you don't want to rub in contamination into your workpiece. So I've got 800 grit sandpaper, and I'm going to use Rust-Oleum Ultra Cover Gloss Clear. I did repair this previously. It had quite a bit of damage up on top here, and I did the same method. This was about 2 years ago, and yeah, it's been perfect. So I'm going to do the same process again. I'll show you guys how it's done. So I'm just going to get a spray bottle with water, 800 grit, and I'm going to rub down all the scratched areas. Right guys, the rain is really coming down now. So what I'm going to do is I've got soapy water, spray down the area from 800 grit sandpaper. So quickly fold, and there's the entire area here is ready. Be sure not to sand too much. You don't want to go into the carbon itself. This white substance you see, that is actually the clear coat of the resin. So we're not trying to get this perfect here at the bottom here. We're just trying to get rid of most of the scratches. I'm not going to do this here actually. Okay, I might just, for the purpose of this video. This will be getting scratched quite a bit, as it is under of the car. And you guys can see the carbon actually stops here. So this area here is still quite bad. Let's just do this. Okay, so guys, I'm going to continue doing the same thing. I'm not going to take you guys through this entire process. It's quite it's the same thing over and over. So I'm actually just going to drop this. And then there's another spot that I want to rub. Where is it? Can't find it now. Oh, it's a spot here. Okay. Spot right here. I'm going to rub this down as well. So I'll bring you guys back as soon as that's done. Alright guys, I'm just giving a quick sand. As you guys can see, I've sanded this here. You can see these areas here, it's all white at the bottom here. That's where I've sanded it. That's where I'm going to spray it. So what actually happened here, at the bottom here, you can see it's all scratched. That's the bottom. I'm not worried about that. But up here, that's where the carbon starts. You can see I've actually sanded. I didn't go down too far. I just want to get rid of most of the scratches. As you guys can see at this point here, it's actually quite deep. So what actually happened, what I think happened is actually it's a stone chip. So actually you want to be perfect about it, you just mix some resin, fiberglass resin, just dab it in there and sand it down, and then clear coat it if you want, and that will be a perfect finish. But for now, what I'm doing, I think will be good enough. So let's just give it a quick coat of spray paint. Yeah, I'll bring you guys back once it's mounted on the car and we'll see the finished product. Remember, we're going to be looking at it from this angle basically, this in the top. So I'm not basically going to be seeing the imperfections up close. So I think it's, yeah, pretty happy with so far. So let's let it dry. I'll mount it up and then take a final look. Okay guys, here we have the finished product. As you guys can see, it's not perfect, but it looks pretty good. Just damaged all along here. Can't really make out much. So if you walk by the car, you will not make out much. I mean, for the simple 200 rand repair, I would give it a thumbs up. So guys, yeah, please, if you enjoyed, please like, share, comment, subscribe. I hope this helps someone. Till the next video. Cheers.